Hey folks, Will Holder with the William Holder Realty team here. Wanted to give you a quick tip about stucco today. Listen, if you're buying a home with stucco, it can be scary because throughout the years of 1995 through 2008 or 2010, a really rough brand of stucco was used by a lot of builders that caused a lot of moisture penetration. Over the years, that moisture turned into mold. A quick way to notice if there are big issues with stucco when looking at a property is simply looking for staining. Staining under the windows, staining under the doors, staining on large walls on the outside of the home. Anywhere there could be water intrusion, if you're seeing staining running down, that generally means there might be some water problems. Doesn't always mean there are, but it could mean there are. And remember, you're looking for stucco built over framing, not stucco built over masonry. Stucco built over brick or masonry, it doesn't matter if water gets behind it because it's hitting brick. Whereas if it's built over framing, you're getting mold and you're getting backup and there's going to be issues with your stucco. Another large sign is if there's any bulging. If you see any bulging in your stucco, it's a big issue. For great tips like this or ways to save yourself from overpaying for home inspections or falling in love with a home that has serious issues, reach out to the Realty team. That's Will at williamholderrealty.com or 484-744-4053 or on the web at williamholderrealty.com. Thanks. Talk soon.